Most people create Instagram carousels slide by slide. And that's exactly why their posts don't feel smooth or connected. But there's a better way to do this that makes your entire carousel look seamless and way more professional. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Canva and slice it into perfectly aligned swipe posts using a simple tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design carousels that flow naturally from one slide to the next. So let's jump right in. First, open Canva and create a custom size. For this example, use 5400 by 1080 pixels if you want 6 slides. That gives you 1080 pixels per slide, but you can adjust this depending on how many slides you need. Now let's set up your guides. Go to File, then enable Show Rulers and Show Guides. After that, open the guide settings, set the gap to 0, and input the number of columns based on how many slides you want. This will divide your canvas into equal sections so you can design each slide while keeping everything perfectly aligned. Now let's move on to the design. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Start with the first section on the left. This is your hook, so make it count. Use a bold statement, a strong question, or a visually striking element to grab attention immediately. To make it more engaging, you can add a character or subject. Head over to Elements and insert a rounded square frame, then position it so it slightly overlaps into the next section. This is what creates that seamless effect when people swipe. After that, go to Uploads and place your image inside the frame. For the middle sections, this is where you deliver your main content. Break your message into smaller chunks so it's easy to read and swipe through. Keep your fonts, colors, and layout consistent across all sections. You can also use arrows, lines, or visual elements that extend across the guides to connect each slide smoothly. On the final section, add a strong call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do next, whether that's following your page, saving the post, or checking out your profile. You can also add icons or bold visuals here to make it stand out. Once your design is complete, download it as a PNG file. Then head over to tools like Pine Tools or Image Splitter to slice your design. Upload your file, choose horizontal split, and set the number of slices based on how many slides you created. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Instead of designing each slide one by one, you're now creating smooth, connected carousel posts that look cleaner and more professional. Give this method a try on your next post, and you'll immediately notice a difference in how your content feels. In the next videos, we'll break down more advanced carousel strategies to help you stand out even more, so stay tuned. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.